Let's fix the AC on this 1992 Toyota Corolla. The owner brought it to another shop recently, but their fix didn't even last a day. Right now, the system doesn't have any freon, so we'll pump it with air and look for any possible leaks. The previous shop worked on the discharge hose, so let's take a closer look at that and other connections. Most connections look fine, but the discharge hose is really suspect. It's only sealed with a hose clamp. The fitting leading to the condenser was originally flange type, but this car has a new condenser with an O-ring fitting. To make it fit, the previous shop added an adapter that doesn't seem snug. Combine that with the hose clamp, and it's no wonder the fix didn't last more than a day. We'll remove the old hose so we can take a closer look. As expected, the previous repair was temporary at best. We can still reuse one of the fittings, but the connection to the condenser needs to be replaced to match the O-ring style. First, remove the old fitting from the hose. Clean it before reinstalling. Measure the new hose and cut it to size. Slide on the ferrule and insert the fitting. We need to double check the length. Alignment is critical. A hose that's too long or short can stress the connections. Once everything lines up, we're ready to crimp. Here's the crimped hose, solid and snug, just like it should be. Let's compare it to the old hose. The difference is night and day. Install the new hose back onto the compressor and condenser. Make sure the fittings are seated properly and tighten. Before adding freon, we'll do a leak test using pressurized air. Once we confirm that there are no leaks, we can recharge the system with freon. After that, the AC should blow cold again. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more car repair videos. Thanks for watching.